Hey up, Rock God 2004 back with another video for you. And there has been a delivery just of one item, and it's from HMV. You'll know what it is by the thumbnail, so I don't need to say it, so I shall just whip it open. Giggity! One go? Right then, here we go. And it is it Universal? Yeah, it's another Universal set. And it is Violent Night with Mr. Stranger Things. David Harbour. Can never remember his name. Since I've ordered this, I've found out it's not a horror film. I thought it was a horror film. So I don't really know what I've let myself in for. I'm hoping it's decent. It does say strong bloody violence, gore, language. So violent night, gory night, all is calm. If all doesn't want to get shot in the head. A team of mercenaries breaks into a mansion on Christmas Eve, but they are not ready for a surprise combatant, Santa Claus. See, I thought he was a dodgy, because I didn't know anything about this. So, I'm not bothered as long as it's decent. If I enjoy it, then fair enough. Lovely box. I can't tell till it's open. But this seems thicker than the Jaws 2 and Megan boxes. That as well is spot glossed. I can see through the cellophane. That's lovely. There's what you get. Whatever it is, we'll find out in a sec. I'm assuming that's a poster there. Steelbook, I think it is as well, yeah. There's nothing on the top. Oh, it's another numbered one as well. So I've got, there's only 1,500 of these. Wow. 1,500, no wonder it's sold out. I got number 685. House in the Lounge. Can't see for the line, but anyway. I shall cut this away and we'll whip it out.
That's what she said.
Right, it is done. So let us have a look at what goodies you get. Right, we'll start with the film, the Steelbook. Oh, very, very nice. Oh, that is nice. Damn. Just check it for dents before I show you it, that's all. Yeah, wonderful. Ooh, look at that. Look at the colour of that blue when the light hits it. What a beaut. And then you get down the side. Nothing on the bottom. Out on the top. And then the back. Look at that. That is nice. You do get a Blu-ray as well. I'm so pleased that this is not one that I bought on Blu-ray. I don't know why. I just thought, no, I'll wait and get it. And I was watching for the American one because I know it's got a slip. I don't think the UK one was issued with a slip. And I thought, I'll get it eventually. I'm in no rush. And then this was announced. I didn't realise you got the Blu-ray in as well, though. That is gorgeous, that Steelbook. I love it. The title's embossed. But David Claus isn't. So that's the Steelbook, the actual film itself you get. Blu-ray and 4K. And the next thing you get, you get a nice booklet as well. It's glossy. Snow on the back. Wow. Oh dear, oh dear. Try not to show too much because I have no idea what this is about. It's looking good actually. I'm liking the look of it now. I've seen some of the photos. I won't show you everything. I'll just flick through it there. Oh, do you know he always plays an arsehole, that bloke? He was the same in Carlito's Way. Beverly D'Angelo? No way. Didn't even recognise her. Look at the work she's had done. If you don't know who Beverly D'Angelo is, she's like the mother in the vacation films. She's also in The Sentinel, where the one where John Carradine, sorry, is the priest in the top room. Wow. Why do they do it to themselves? So yeah, actually I'm looking forward to it now. I've seen this. Once I found out it wasn't a horror, I was a bit like, I thought it was another Christmas horror film, but no. So that's the booklet you get. Really nice booklet at that. And then you also get Get Off. Well, you don't get that, but you know. You get a poster, or if you're Jamie, you get a poster. Ah, bastard. Ah, bastard. Ah, bastard. It's not that great. Why would you want a poster of that? If anybody's going to put it up, which I don't think I won't, but you'd go for that one, wouldn't you? So there's your two-sided poster. And finally, you get some art cards. Loving the back of them. Oh, and the white paper slips come straight off, no hassle. These are a decent size as well. They're not just like postcard size. So there's the first one, nice and glossy there, and then on the other side is a matte finish, and they're all got that on, which is really nice. That one, and again, and the last one is the unrecognisable. Can't believe that's a Beverly D'Angelo. Wow. I would have walked past her in the street and I wouldn't have recognised her. Well, I'm saying I would walk past her in the street, you know, like as I'm strolling through Hollywood. As I do. Regularly. One last try, and then I'll just rip it up and put it in the bin. You will not beat me. Right, so that's the lot. So box there, and then you go I'll put these back in the order that they've got them in. Cards at the front for some reason. Then the poster. Then the booklet. Select. And your Steelbook. And there's one very nice universal box set for Violent Night. I know it's always a pain to do this, but I always say it. And I don't always really get a chance to, but I'm gonna say it again. I will do a little review of that once I've watched it. I'll let you know what the picture's like and what the story's like, and if it's any good. Some of you are gonna have watched it. You're gonna have already seen it. I've not even seen that I remember a trailer, I don't think. I just seen Violent Night with the Santa, and I thought, Violent Night, that's a horror film. Want it. However, even though it's not a horror film, it looks like it's going to be rather fun, so I will let you know. Thank you very much indeed for watching, all two of you. I really do appreciate it. And if you have subscribed, wow, you're amazing. Thank you so much. I can't tell you how much it means. And thank you for the continued support. Really does mean a lot. I am expecting the one from Arrow USA very soon. It's in the country. I think it's got through customs. And I know it's with every. They've got it now, and they're going to be putting it out for delivery shortly. But they've definitely got it. So I will do an unboxing of that one when that turns up, and I'll let you know what that one's like. Keep your eyes peeled for the next video. You all take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all very soon. Ta-ta.